Good morning, you guys. Literally, market just opened. Look at this candle. What the frick is happening, bro? Yo, market open and this is what we're doing. This got some crazy movement already. So we got a 1 hour right here. Oh yeah, it's starting to chill the frick out, which is good. There's a 1 hour right here with liquidity, but it's pretty far. So it ended up tapping this. This is our target yesterday. Um, it's full. This fair value gap's pretty good. There's some liquidity within it. Bang. Okay, I do have audio. That's good. Oh, I gotta bring it for closer. Okay, 15-minute. Let's see. Anything crazy? Not really. This is a good target, I think. Right there. For 4 hour. Just bring this in. We for sure target that. Oh, dude. Hopefully we have inverse before this, but worst comes to worst. Oh, inverse fair value gap there. Oh, I don't like that though. Recently, the market's just been literally hitting just DP or like just liquidity. So, bro, this thing is ripping, dude. There's no way I would just like enter a trade there though, because there definitely is some. There's just not. Oh man, there is some inverse fair value gaps, but I like this one. I like this fair value gap that we could inverse. That's good. Oh. Uh, 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 um. See, this is better. Chill the freak out. Okay. I think this is the entry that I want here. I think this. Oh. Oh, dude, look at this. That. Look at that 3-minute. Now the sketchy thing is having this 5-minute. Sure. I really do not want to wait for this 5-minute to get filled. I have to go for a trade like that. Just because it's like, I don't know. We could either set our break even for like midpoint there, Or we could go break even for like up here. Oh, that's not a break even like whatsoever. Like if we enter through here, we could go break even like there. That's close though. The chances of it like reversing are pretty high. I don't like how it didn't like fully tap into that 1 hour though. It might come down, tap it more, and come up. What if it comes up and then comes down and taps it, and then comes up? Hopefully not. Hopefully it tapped this on yes, and that's why it's not tapping it. Should we check real quick? Okay. It sure did. It sure did. Okay. Okay, it did. It did tap the so we should be chilling because it did tap on yes, so or what? Oh yeah, it did. Bro, my my brain is cooked. But yeah. Supposed to wait for both of these to get inverse, but the thing about it. I think we should have break even for right here because this is kind of a deadly zone right here. Just because what the heck? Just oh no. Bro, what is am I actually tweaking out? Okay. Dude, I don't know, man, because if we do enter right after, we're gonna have to like go break even right here. But the chances of it reversing down are pretty high just because it's a 5 minute fair value, so it might get affected by it. But if we don't, like if market does just zoom right through it, this is a really good trade. Like the entry and everything's great. I just don't want to enter here. Because look at that. We'll see. Bro, this thing is this could be a crazy freaking trade. Maybe this 3 minute will just fly through this. Just go shoo, and we enter right here. A little retracement. Flies up. Bang. It probably would go up quite a bit, but that being said, kind of sketchy. Whoa, what the freak? Okay, it's probably gonna go back and forth a little bit. So that being said, I'll pause it and I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know when something happens. Okay, the market's coming back up to get this freaking imbalance or to inverse this 3 minute. When it inverses it, what do we do, man? What the frick do we do? Do we wait for more confluence? Do we not? Do we wait? Do we not? Do we wait? Or it's just gonna rip through both. No, it won't. But this is in reverse. Let's go. Well, that's not a good start. We could enter here and then just do a crazy close break even right here. Whoa. No, I'm not even worried about it. That's not even like something to be concerned about. Like it's just closing this fair value gap so that there's none, so we don't have to worry about it later. See? Thanks, market. What do we do, guys? Because we could enter right now and just do a freaking tight ass break even. We should definitely wait. So chances of it coming down are pretty high. And again, enter right now. That would be crazy. Didn't even tap into the 5 minute yet. Dude, it is cold in this room. It is cold, cold. Okay, I think we should enter right here. Because I think it's gonna go up. No, that's pretty dumb. I'm just thinking, like from a logical scenario, enter down here, then your trade. Oh shoot, then your trade is entered way down here, and this is a reasonable break even. That's what I'm thinking. But we could also just wait for it to inverse it. Come on, you got 5 seconds. Quickly inverse this 5 minute. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's just see how it reacts. If it inverses it, we should be pretty chilling. Just that's a good. It's a good fair value gap to inverse off of. We could also just do it. Yeah, it's not even that bad. We could just do a heavier trade too. Tighter stop loss, heavier trade. That's also something we could do. It's gonna be a close ass break even just because like that's a pretty big spot, I think. See what it does off this 5 minute. Dude, imagine we entered down here. This is what I'm saying, bro. This is what I'm saying. We would have hit break even. Let's see if it comes down though. Would we have gotten freaking break even? It would be awesome if it closes above this. Because then that's two freaking fair value gaps inversed. But if this gets inversed too, that's like good ass confirmation. Oh, 20 seconds to decide. Come on, man. Inverse that shit. Do not make me wait for a whole ass another 3 minute, dude. Alright, we're gonna have to wait. See, it's getting all tripped up by it. Alright, we have 3 minutes to wait. I'll let you guys. Oh, did I do something? No. Oh, kind of. I'll let you guys know what happens. Okay, guys, this is what has happened um, so far. I'm kind of sad because it's ripping right now, but basically it came up, tapped this 5 minute, came down. So I remember when it was right here, and I was all like, "Oh, we should have entered this on the third." What? It doesn't matter. We would have got break even. Anyways, came down, retapped that, coming back up, starting to inverse this 5 minute. We got 30 seconds left. Hopefully it'll stay inversed. Then we can enter this trade, enter wherever it goes, and just let it rip. I don't know if the market's still going to get affected by this point. It very well might. It has technically. Oh, okay, no, we're chilling. I just want this to close above this so that we can, yeah, we can enter. And it has closed. So
Order
we
filled.
are in. We're going to go for this low here. Okay. We're going to go for a clean 500. don't necessarily have to do that, but wow, we literally almost perfectly we almost perfectly got that. Okay, we do need to discuss a break-even point though. It's pretty, well, no, that's actually a pretty good break-even, I'm not gonna lie. It's a pretty good break-even. It's not like halfway through, that's the only problem that I'm having here. Because that's close, like that's an early break-even. But I think either that one or this one would be a good break-even. But other than that, I do think market will rip up to here. Like it's still got to tap that imbalance. But honestly, we should just take our piece of the pie and be happy with that. Look at this, guys. We're in a trade finally, dude. Holy. I'm gonna wait for like midpoint. Like I'm gonna wait for it to get like roughly here. Because I do think it needs some space to retrace a little bit. Might want to retap. Usually the market comes up, hits a point like this, comes down, then it'll come right back up. I just don't want to get stopped out too early, break even too early. See, this is good. See, this is great. Dude, it's probably gonna rip up to here, so we just gotta see. Okay, we can probably do. I want this candle to close at this point. If it closes that high up, then we're looking pretty decent, but it's inside that fair value. Depends on how much we're ripping, but we might try to go for a little bit more. It just depends. Like at the same time, we definitely shouldn't because we should just take our piece of the pie. But yeah, and honestly, that's a break even right there. We've just gotten way too many break even days recently, so we still have some room, but hopefully it does not hit break even. Oh, it might. Do $504 so we get that all. That's a clean 500. Oh, we'll see though. We'll see if it rips right up. It just happened to our original break even, so only time will tell. Yo, guys, holy, is that?
Order filled.
And guys, that is a very good trade on the day. A very, very good trade. Um, been on for an hour and 6 minutes, and we just hit our trade for 500. I don't know why it says 499. For we literally did 504 on purpose. Anyways, it's gonna hit this liquidity point. So we could have, but like I said before, I just wanted to take my piece of the pie. That's it. Look, it will hit that, so that's pretty good. But regardless, this is probably one of the cleaner trades that we have literally ever taken. Look at how clean that is. It did come down and almost retest this break even, but luckily it didn't. It didn't tap us out, so that's pretty good. But yeah, super clean. We get to close the charts for the day now and just go on with the day. Happy, and I'm just so excited to see this because the market has just been so chop. Look at this. It's been so choppy. So to get an actual clean move like this is awesome. There's red folder news later in the day. Pretty sure market's closed by then, or this session anyways. This session is closed by then. But yeah, guys, bang, that was the trade for the day. I don't really know what else to say. I hope you guys caught that trade as well. It was really, really good. Yeah, a little 500 on the day. We're feeling, we're feeling pretty good. We're feeling pretty good. We're gonna go into the day strong now, and yeah, we're gonna have a good. I don't know how many times I just said day, but holy, what I'm trying to say, we're gonna have a good day. I hope you guys took a good trade as well, and we will see you tomorrow for Thursday trading. All right, peace out, guys.